A treehouse meeting in our backyard over Kool-Aid and crackers. You could hear through the laughter just.
Magandang umaga po at welcome po sa ating programa, My Morning Manna with Pastor OG. Buksan po natin ating mga Biblia sa John chapter 3 verse 8. Ito po ang pagkasabi sa ating salin, the wind blows where it wishes, so is everyone who is born of the Spirit. The question that we have now is, are we born in the Spirit? And second question is, are we walking in the Spirit? Maraming mga taong pinanganak sa Espiritu pero hindi namuhay ayon sa Espiritu. Ano ibig sabihin mo ayon namuhay ayon sa Espiritu, Pastor? Kung tayo nananalangin, naramdaman ba natin yung presensya niya? Sa araw-araw ay nag-speaking in tongues ba tayo? Sa araw-araw ay naramdaman ba natin yung kanyang kapangyarihan? That's the question. If water baptism is our birth, Holy Spirit is our breath. Ibig sabihin, nung pinanganak tayo, di ba? Sa kaharian ng Diyos, yun yung baptism. But the breath that we have is the Holy Spirit. Those who are born in the Spirit will always aim to walk in the Spirit, no? If we want to be like Christ, we have to walk in the Spirit and we have to work in the gifts. A true matured in faith are not those who are older in the church, no? Ibig sabihin, ang tunay na matured person are those people who practice to walk in the Spirit. That's my question. Are we walking in the Spirit? Na every day, Lord, ano ba ang gusto mong mangyari sa buhay ko ngayon? Ano bang gusto mong ipagawa sa akin, Lord? Then, during the time na marinig mo ang boses ng Diyos, you automatically make your action. You just follow them, no? The Holy Spirit is the Christian source of power. Therefore, let us walk in the Spirit. I am hoping that time will come, every Christian will start to walk in the Spirit. At maaari may mga panahon man wala ang pastor niyo, wala ako sa inyo, but still, you are not misguided. Why? Because you are walking in the Spirit of God. God bless.